You will take more than 10 years to pay off your credit card bills if you're only paying the minimum payment due. Imagine you spend 50,000 rupees on your card. You will have two options, either to pay off the entire 50,000 at one shot or pay something called as minimum payment due, which is generally 5% of the spent, which is 2,500 in our case. When you pay 2,500 to the card in the first month, understand you are only paying 750 rupees of principal but paying 1,750 rupees of interest, because cards charge you anywhere in the range of 36 to 42% annually for the amount that you spent on the card. Now imagine if you only pay the minimum payment due, at the year end you would have paid roughly 27,000 rupees on the card, but of that only 10,000 is principal payment and you will still have 40,000 of principal payment to be done. Now if you continue to do this, it will take you a staggering 10 years to pay off your entire loan. So collecting points on card is fancy, but don't do it beyond your control. Thank you so much.